Hi everybody, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I'm trying to be like Ines. And so, we are taking over today for Mother's Day. And we're making, she's laughing in the background by the way. So we're making tri-tip steaks, Hasselback potatoes, corn, bread. So we'll take you along. So I took a loaf of French bread and sliced it up. And Ines said, "Aren't you going to butter it first?" And I said, "No, because I'm doing it my way." And so we're going to put the bread on a pan on some foil. We're going to butter it, and then we're going to put it in the oven and let it get really brown and a little bit crunchy. And that's it. So here are the tri-tip steaks. I just coated them with a little olive oil about 2 hours ago, and then put this Traeger beef rub. I kind of fell in love with the Traeger rubs when my son got me the chicken rub, the citrus black pepper, for Christmas, and I've used it a bunch of times. And then here's the bread. It's all buttered, getting ready to go in the oven. And what's in the oven right now, I'll give you a peek. These are the Hasselback potatoes. So basically they're potatoes cleaned and cut to about an eighth or a quarter of an inch, and then coated in butter and seasoning and put in the oven. Let's go put these on the grill.
Hi guys, I'm Inez's son, Kobe. So I'm making her a salad today. We're using a Costco Ready Pack Food salad kit from Mayo Caesar. Just gonna go ahead and open it up. Just go ahead and dump it in. I'm also gonna be adding some tomatoes and some apples.
Okay, so we have the steaks on the grill, and they're really good cuts of meat. And what we're doing is we're getting the grill super hot first. We're going to put a good sear on the bottom of the steaks, like that. And then we just turned it 90 degrees right now to give it the good crosshatch marks on the bottom of the grill. And so the theory is searing it and creating that outside crust really locks in the juices and the flavor. And normally this type of meat you cook to like a medium rare or medium, but our family likes medium well to well, so don't think that we're sacrileging the meat by cooking it too long.
Oh, hey guys, I am just sitting on the couch while people are busy around me for my special day. Actually, I am getting up and helping Paul a little bit with the filming. So I just wanted to pop in and say Happy Mother's Day to all of you. I hope you had a wonderful day and that you were able to spend some time with your loved ones, or at least hear from them. And now I'm gonna just relax on the couch.
Okay, we got the corn cooking in the pot. The potatoes, the initial cook is done. We're just gonna cover them with a little bit of cheese and put them back in the oven. We're gonna use two kinds of cheese. We're gonna use the grated cheddar here, grated Parmesan there. Okay, we covered the potatoes with cheese. Getting ready to put them back in the oven. And right here, I'll put the bread in on the bottom for now. It's not gonna take. It's not gonna take long for that bread to cook, or the cheese to melt, or the butter to melt on that bread. Man, these steaks look good. So, to finish these off, they're just about done. Temperature inside should be about 160 or so. So we'll check that, but we're gonna put these down here. So we're gonna put a little finishing butter on them. And that butter is just butter, minced garlic, and a little Worcestershire sauce. We're just gonna fork it on there. let it melt into the steaks. That butter is going to cause some flare-ups, so we're going to move these to the top rack again here in a second.
I'm all done with the salad, and I'm gonna go put it on the dining table.
Okay, so the meat's been resting here. This is just the first few pieces that are done, so we're just going to cut them and cut them at a little bit of an angle. And
That looks so good.
you can see, yeah, you can see that they're cooked through a tiny bit pink, so they're medium well. And so that's it. We'll plate all the food, and then we'll show you what it looks like. And I just want to say Happy Mother's Day to everybody out there. Happy Mother's Day to Ines. And she always does a great job with our family and with our kids, and we all look up to her. She's easy to admire. And then a Happy Mother's Day to my mom also. She is in North Carolina right now for my niece's graduation. So Happy Mother's Day, Mom. And that's it. Stick around.
Happy Mother's Day to my mom and my grandma and all the grandmas out there and moms.
Put food on the table, and these potatoes look so good.
Oh, yes. Yes, that looks so good. And I am so thankful to Paul for putting this meal together, and for the little hands and the many hands that help put things together too. Good job, guys. What do you think so far, Cobes?
It's good.
So good. Oh, yes.
Thanks for stopping by. Hope you guys enjoyed my short stint as Ines. I can never fill her shoes. In reality, she can't fill mine. Mine are a little bigger. So anyway, hopefully you guys have a great Mother's Day, and hopefully you enjoyed what you saw, and stick around. You just never know what Ines will be rolling out next.